First of all, thank you for your patience, because somehow we managed to get through the agenda, which was set up for the 4th ISTMA Forum. It was a hard day, definitely, but hopefully every one of you found some value, adding value for your personal interest or for your know-how, whatever. So I will just try to highlight what we passed today. So first of all, we introduced our sector globally, and of course some local Slovenian specifics. We introduced the ISTMA rule in our strategies, in our communications with institutions, and maybe even some communication with the customer. We got presentation of the customer story and the vision of one of the major tier 1 customer for the near future and medium-term future. We had an example of the supply service made by our global partner. We got an example of, let's say, very challenging innovation and connection between, let's say, science, student platform, and, let's say, individuals. And finally, we got an excellent presentation about the skill program, how this program was integrated into the national policy and with special intention to the execution part of this strategy. I was impressed by the job and work which has been done by the team in South Africa, and through this example I can understand why the South Africa was attached to the BRIC group. So we know that the fast growing economies. So through this I think we better understand how, let's say, people and let's say motivation, ambition, and finally their know-how, but useful know-how in our shops is important, and how we can track them. Finally, I think everyone is at least from the motivated to be in South Africa in 6 months. I don't know, maybe with bicycle or by plane. Let's decide. But anyway, once again, thank you very much to you again. Thank you very much to people who manage to organize this event. Once again, our team. Practically today we didn't have a single conflict, a single problem we could not manage. I hope you will be back in Slovenia. Slovenians, upam, da se vidimo naslednje leto. And special thanks to the team, to the translators, serving us practically all the time. I hope you got the right translation and right information. So thank you once again. And 2 important details. Number 1, the lunch is in the same floor as the conference room is. So start immediately after we finish. Please take care with you your badges, because the entrance into the restaurant is important to have the badge. And secondly, please really leave your translation devices on the exit, because we have to return everything, otherwise our organization will be penalized. So thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you and bon appétit. Bye-bye.